ntshuke ya moroko le mase go dubegile serantla se ke gore together ke nna host ya lona ya legamana ya lekolwane ke tle go dira batla go harvesta Kennedy Thal. I'm with two of Botswana's most acclaimed personalities. Re na le comedian e re ratang thata re le hatshela Botswana e bong Phongboto.
Yeah, you know what it is, no? Because
and we have our multifaceted jack of all trades personality, the very beautiful Situnya Delia. Mosetsana o monten. The winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula to donate to a charity of your choice. Are you guys ready to play this game?
I'm very excited.
I'm gonna count you down from 3, 2, 1. Let's go! What's it gonna be? Oh, what do you want it to be?
Give it a blanket.
Ghost box. It is Crazy Coin Catch. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna run you down the rules very quickly, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna place, each of you, a golden cookie on your forehead. You must get it from your forehead into your mouth using only your facial muscles. If you've done Botox, it's over for you. Now, the first person to get that cookie into their mouth automatically gets 2,000 points, and they set that timer off for 60 seconds. Then you both have 60 seconds to get as many cookies as you can into your mouth for 1,000 points each. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on now, guys. Situnya, you've got this, girl. Drop it in the mouth. Boom! And there goes the timer. 60 seconds on the clock. Situnya has 2,000 points already. Let's go. Phongboto, now you need to catch up. Let's go. Hey! Hey, you know the khaufi. Ba mela raga Situnya go ra ro dira ka temotho a tshotla. Ene go a merekela. One again. One again. What if you want to see you sort of formula to it? Iriane wele mo. Can I start? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That one counts. Thank you. It's time for the results. Phongboto, you had 2 cookies at 1,000 points each. You got 2,000 points. Situnya, Delia, you got the first cookie at 2,000 points. You got an additional 3 cookies for 3,000 points. That means you got 5,000 points. You win today's game. You get 10,000 pula for a charity of your choice. Congratulations.
I told you that.
That's all from Metshameko Madness. I'm your host, Kennedy Thal. Remember, when the cameras go off, the fun keeps going. Join Betway today.